So let's evaluate the expression 2x minus y. And I'm going to replace those values, x by 6 and y by negative 3. That means evaluate this expression. So let's repeat first the expression itself and then do the replacements. So 2x, remember, 2x is the same as 2 times x. It's just a simplified way to show multiplication. So if x is 6, that's a given value here, I'm going to replace x by 6 there. Now, this minus sign belongs to the expression. And how much is y? What is the given value for y? Negative 3. So I'm going to replace y by negative 3. In mathematics, I cannot have this situation. If I have two signs like that, when I replace a number, I have to insert a parenthesis in between. Why? Because this is a multiplication. Again, we don't see the number, but here is negative 1. So I have negative 1 multiplying negative 3. And two negative numbers, when you multiply, is positive. In this case, is positive 3. Do not add those numbers. That's the most mistake I see students do it. So let's come back to our expression. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus 3 is negative 1 plus negative 3, which is 3. So it's going to be positive 3. And 12 plus 3 is 15. And that's our answer. Thank you for watching.